Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to calibrate oscilloscope. Okay, first we switch on the oscilloscope. Second, we put the probe into the input. We use main input. Then we touch the hook. Touch the hook tip to the cal. And the crocodile clip, we clip to the ground. Okay. Make sure the selection mode is the same with the input. We use channel 1, so the selection mode is on channel 1. After that, we select volt division, channel 1, same with the cal value. So cal value is 2 volt. See this? Cal value is 2 volt. So the volt over division we put at 2. This is the pointer. We set to 2 volt. And then time over division, we set it on 0.5 millisecond here. Now we need to calibrate oscilloscope, include the lab 3 part C. First you need to do is turn on the function generator and then use this hotkey, put in the output 50 ohm and then the calculator in output pass. Right now we need to click the 1000 range and rotate this thing to 1.0 to get 1000. Next, we click the function generator sine wave. Now, as you can see, we need to adjust this the sine wave. We adjust the amplitude to the 2 number of division, and then we adjust this little bit to get minimum and maximum value.